Welcome to Business Data Direction, a series of new FMEA videos. In first part, we see the why there is need collaboration between AIG and VDA. In second part, we have seen why there is a change from RPN to AP. And in this video, we will see part 3. There are 11 major changes in FMEA and some changes in the format that we will see in details. If you not seen first and second part, go to the description and click on the link. If you want full course material of new FMEA, which includes presentation 87 slides, formats, charts, table, rating tables, some examples, AP calculator and exercise, then go to the description and click on the links. So friends, let's go on the screen and see the details.
We will see the 7-step approach. This we will see by form. Here first step is scope definition and project planning. The header of this FMEA give step first. Second step is structure analysis. It is process atom, process steps and process work element. Third step is functional analysis. It is function process atom, function process steps and function process work element. Now here step second, structure analysis, process atom is linkage to function process atom. Process step is linkage to function process steps, and structure analysis process work element is linkage to function process work element. These are linkage between each other. Then fourth step is failure analysis. In this, failure effect, failure mode and failure causes. Step 5 is risk analysis. Here prevention, detection and action priority it is given. Sixth step is optimization, where we have to write actions, responsibility, target dates and status of this action. Then revised severity occurrence detection rating and revised AP action priority. And seventh step is communication, that we have to communicate top management about the summary of FMEA. So these are the 7-step approach we have seen. Now the second major change is SOD rating redefined. The severity rating, occurrence rating and detection rating, there is some redefined in this rating table. Third major change is action priority. In previously FMEA, it was risk priority number. Now this changed to action priority. And action priority, there are 3 priorities: high priority, medium priority and low priority. Now the fourth major change is linkage between the cost of quality and FMEA. These costs are external failure cost, internal failure cost, appraiser failure cost and prevention failure cost. Now the fifth change is there is a one FMEA provided in this manual, that is called supplemental FMEA MSR, monitoring and system response. Now this is related to design of FMEA. Here we have to monitor, analyze the diagnosis, detection and fault mitigation where these systems are correct and monitored correctly. So these are mentioned in this new FMEA MSR. Six changes, there is some changes in the format from previous to new one. This we'll see in detail later. 7th change is the collaboration. We need the collaboration between customer, supplier and engineering team, because as we see there are in steps 2 structure analysis and step 3 function analysis. We have to write details about the what are the functions, failure mode, what are their effects. So we have to more understand about the product and their failure mode and causes. So this know customer and engineering very better. So we have to collaborate them to write FMEA correctly. 8 major changes. There is a linkage inlined with the advanced product quality team, advanced product quality planning. 9th major change is there is a scope and result of FME need to summarized and communicated to top management. 10th major change is there is a use of 5T approach, that is intent, timing, team, task and tool. And 11th major change is we have to write failure cause in 4M1E, that is related to man, machine, method, material and environment. These are the major 11 changes mentioned in the new FMEA. Now we will change what are the changes in the format from previous FMEA to new FMEA. In previous FMEA, there was only one column of process step. Now this changed process step to structure analysis in process step, process atom, process steps and process work element. Next change, there is a function mentioned in the previous FMEA. Now this function changed to function analysis. This is also changed from function, process atom, process steps and function work element. Next change is in previous FMEA, the sequence of writing was failure mode first, then effect and then cause. Now this sequence changed in new FMEA. First there is a failure effect, then failure mode and failure cause. But we can write failure mode first, then their effects and causes respectively. Now next change is in previous FMEA it was mentioned classification. Here we are writing SC or CC characteristics. Now this change to special production characteristic and RPN change to AP. Next changes is in recommended action, then we have to write responsibility and target date. Now this change to we have to write prevention action and detection action separately, and we have to write the status of action, whether it is open, completed and discarded. So these are the major changes in the new FMEA. Now we will see the linkage between the IATF. In clause number 8.3.2.1 design and development planning, see development and review of product design risk analysis FMEAs include action to reduce potential risk, and in D development and review of manufacturing process risk analysis it was given. In clause number 8.3.5.1 design and development output, A written as design risk analysis, and in 8.3.5.2 manufacturing process design output, in G it is written as manufacturing process FMEA. Thus this FMEA is linkage to IATF. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.